Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook Live today. We'll be sharing our favorite Better For You gifts from the KIWI winter issue that just launched today. And stick around because we will have a live winner. We will also have 3 more winning this amazing kids book. And then I'm going to be sharing our huge gift guide giveaway at the end of this Facebook Live. So be sure to stick around. Let us know you're here by commenting. And all right, let's dive in.
Absolutely. So hello, I'm Victoria, and this is Maureen, editorial director of KIWI. If you don't know who we are, you're kind of coming to us from like a friend's page or something. We're from Moms Meet. Moms Meet is a large online community across the whole of the US. We work with Better For You brands to sample really amazing products for free with your friends on your blog. If you're an influencer on your like Instagram accounts and everything, it's amazing. It's free. If you're not a member, make sure you go to momsmeet.com after this Facebook Live to sign up. And about KIWI magazine, so KIWI has been around for I think 13 years now. Yes, and we actually just recently redesigned the website, which we're super excited about. So check out the new winter issue, which, as Maureen said, launched today, which we're super excited about. So check it out on kiwimagonline.com, or you can get to it on Moms Meet by clicking the KIWI tab. Or if you have the app Issue for magazines, you can find us on there as well.
And if you are a member of our newsletter distro, you will be receiving it in your inbox.
Yeah,
so
any minute
there
now.
are many ways. It's free to read, so be sure to head to our newly redesigned website so that you can check out all the goodness. There's beautiful crafts and delicious recipes, dietary specific, holiday recipes. So check it all out. We're super excited to share it with you.
Yes, and the website looks amazing.
Thank you.
Definitely have to check that out. As Maureen mentioned, we're going to be having winners today. We're going to have 1 live winner today, and then who is going to receive this amazing book, which I'm really excited about.
I know, we both wanted so
We're
bad.
like, I'm the winner.
Yeah.
It's Write to Me Recipes Passed Down. So you write in all of your family recipes, and it can become like a really like family heirloom. I love that so much. I have an old recipe book from my nana, so I love that. I love using the really old recipes.
It's so special.
It's so special. And then 3 winners tomorrow are going to win this, the Nat Geo's three Little Kids' First Big Book of Why. So
it's amazing, it's colorful, it's so interesting, and it helps explain in a fun way all of the different things that we take for granted knowing in the world. So they're opening up their curious minds, and this book will really be fun for them to kind of understand certain things. Tell us in the comments what your favorite part about the holiday season is. We want to know what you love. What's yours?
Getting together with family. So that's definitely my favorite. Just having like fun, having like everyone together, eating like a good meal, and I love that.
I agree. A new one for us, because I have a 1-year-old now, so this will be the 2nd time we're doing this, is the fam jams, the matching fam jams.
I love that.
My favorite. So I just picked up our new set, and I can't wait to wear them all the time in the house and out of the house. I don't know. We'll see. So let us know what your favorite part is. We're so interested to hear. Okay, so let's get to the big event here, which is our holiday gift guide. So we do this every year, and it's always so fun curating, better products for you, better gift ideas for the family, whether they be sustainable or educational. They're all like picked out with a lot of thought for our audience and for parents and families, and there's stuff in there for the family, for kids of all ages, for moms, and for dads specifically. So if you're wondering what to get your kids, your family, your husband, definitely head to the issue and check out everything that we have, because while this looks stacked, this isn't all of it.
No, there is so much more.
So much more, and they're all so amazing. We want everything in this year.
I was looking through it like, okay, I want all of them.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm going to go through a couple of them, but again, go to the website so you can see. So this is my favorite. This little guitar is
so cute.
It's too much. It is too cute. Okay, let me get the name for you right here. This is the Loog Mini acoustic guitar. And it's great because it pairs up with an app. So your kids can actually learn how to play guitar by pairing their guitar with the app.
That's
so it's
cool.
Really user friendly.
So
any little toddler, any young kid who's musically inclined, wants to do that more, is going to love that. Then right behind it, we have the Feels from Slumberkin, which is just amazing. The whole purpose of this brand, because this is not the only collection that they have, is to help your kids understand and get to feel comfortable with their different emotions that they have.
It's amazing.
Which is amazing. So this comes with a book. It comes with 5 emotion creatures: worried, sad, mad, scared, and calm, and this plush little pillow to help comfort them in these situations. And you can kind of, it's really important for your kids to feel okay with the different emotions that they have, and this helps them understand that it's not bad to be scared, to be upset, and things like that. And it's a really healthy, great, comforting way for your kids to kind of explore their emotions.
And they are the cutest little things.
Cutest.
They're so adorable.
Cutest. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have over here? Okay, so this is a favorite.
Yes.
Desert Essence. We love this brand. Moms Meet KIWI offices, and so this is it's a great body oil, especially when you're super dry in the winter. Grab this for the women in your family, even the men, the kids, whoever. We also have BitBox, which is right under it, and that is a coding subscription box. So your kids, again, your kids can build an app with this, an actual real app, which is amazing. It's amazing. So just in this box, there's fun little cards and everything. So, it's a great gift to give one of your curious kids in your family.
Absolutely.
Let's see, what else do we have up here? The Spice Lab for the chef in your family. They're amazing different flavors and gift sets that we have available in the gift guide, and they have on their website. It's just a really great gift that will last throughout the whole year.
It's like the perfect gift to buy someone. Like, my husband is so hard to buy for. I don't know if your husband's the same way.
Yes.
So difficult to buy for, because like if he wants something throughout the year, he'll like usually buy it. So then it comes to Christmas and I'm like, no idea.
Yeah.
This is great. Husbands, father-in-law, your own dad, uncles, whoever.
Totally.
Like even myself, like I love to cook. I would love this.
Yeah, me too. Let's see, what do we have over here? I can't even see. We have so many gifts. So we have Social CBD's muscle rub. So this is hemp-derived CBD and a great rub for your sore muscles, and it's a really good restorative self-care practice that you can use, if you're sore, if you're coming from the gym, anything like that. So that's a great gift too. And it's at a good price point as well.
Yeah.
Okay, something that I'm going to pull up here.
Yes.
This is
a
for
good one.
All of the tired parents out there during the holiday season. The Keurig K-Duo's Essential Coffee Maker. So, do you want to share a little bit about this?
Yes, we love this. We love this so much. We have one in our office. It's the best. It has this, you can either use your little K-cup, or it actually has a carafe as well. The best thing about it is you can be like brewing like 12 cups in the carafe, but if you have, enough coffee in there to make a cup, take the carafe out and it stops. It's not going to like drip all over like the warm plate. It's just gonna stop, and then you put it back in, and it's gonna brew the rest. It's the best.
I love it, because whether or not you're hosting and you want to do a big pot, or if you just need one cup in the middle of the day, it's your one-stop coffee maker. So it's amazing.
We love it.
Let's see. The cinnamon.
Oh my gosh.
This one's so good.
Yeah. We're all just talking about this.
So it's like a movie projector. You can take it anywhere you want. It also hooks up to the streaming services. It's Wi-Fi compatible, and you can put your own stuff on there too. So it is basically taking a movie theater with you wherever you go, whether or not you want to do that outdoors or wherever you want to do it, you can do it. And that's an amazing, like if you want to get your family one big gift that you can do together, that's a really, really good one.
For sure. This would be so cute if anyone has like a fire pit in their backyard. And
I love that.
So I'm like just in the process of buying a house, and now I'm like, I need this.
You
because
do?
I have like a fire pit in my backyard, and I have trees that are definitely the right like distance apart to like hang a sheet.
Yeah.
I need this.
Perfect. It's perfect. Yes. So we have some non-toxic makeup in the gift guide as well, blush and brush. We also have, there's more than, like I said, there's more than what's on the table. So we have this awesome plant subscription
gosh,
subscription, and then you can order plants online. It's called Bloomscape, and it is amazing. We are obsessed.
It's so great. You can have like huge plants delivered to you instead of having to like go to the store and like.
And as somebody who doesn't have as green a thumb as I'd like, it helps you pick which type of plant. So it's very easy. You can filter by kid friendly. You can filter by air filtering. You can filter by easy, has light. So all of these different filters, so you can find the right plant for you. So head to the gift guide so you can check that out too. So like I said, there's so much more. You know, we're only getting started, and stick around because we are going to talk about later how you can win some of these prizes too.
Absolutely.
But let's move on. Let's talk about the other stuff in the issue.
So the winter issue is definitely one of our favorites. It's always full of so many amazing things. And not only do we have the gift guide, we have so many amazing recipes that you and your family can enjoy during the holidays. So we have a couple of really awesome recipe features this year for winter. We have a vegan dessert feature, which is amazing. We have the options in there, things like cashew cream pear tart, which sounds incredible. I need to make this. And then 5-minute coconut fudge, which is perfect because that's like the best like Christmas gift for like friends and family and like teachers. You're really great, like little wrapped up. It's perfect. Super cute. We also have festive brunch ideas because who doesn't love brunch? It's my favorite on the weekend.
Exactly.
And especially when you're with your family over like Thanksgiving and the holiday season. You're going to want a really good brunch with everyone. And
these recipes are not just delicious, but they are very, very healthy too. So it's a win-win. You won't feel, you know,
for sure,
like you're going to go back to sleep after you have these recipes. They're really healthy and delicious.
Yeah, we have sweet potato home fries with eggs, which is definitely a must try.
So good.
I need that. I'm definitely going to be making all of these.
I know,
So, yeah.
All right. So next up, this is a good story to keep in mind all year round, but definitely if you have kids that are a little bit more on the picky side when it comes to what they eat. And getting your kids the right nutrition is always a struggle, no matter who you are as a parent too. So recently we worked with Kimberly Snyder, who is a celebrity nutritionist and the founder of Saluna. And she gave us some great tips. She's also a mom too. So these are really kid friendly and they're really practical. And she has, so in the issue, we have her top tips to solve your mealtime battles, which is perfect. No one wants a battle. Everyone wants to just get together and eat and, you know,
an easy holiday.
Exactly. So one of the crazy things that she said that I need to keep in mind, because my son is trying new foods all the time, that it could take an average of 8 to 15 times for a child to adopt a new food. So if you are getting frustrated or feeling hopeless, keep trying. Keep at it. Yeah, that's one of the craziest things. So if you have a picky kid at home, what are your tips? Comment and let us know so that we can help each other out here, how you get them to get all of their nutrition too.
Absolutely. And moving on from that, you know, it's the end of the year, it's getting a little cold. We're here in New Jersey and it's just suddenly became like really cold the past couple of weeks. It was like really warm for so long.
No fall.
It was no fall, immediately winter, and now it's freezing. So if you're like us and you're dreaming of a warm weather escape, we've got a really awesome story for you highlighting Florida's Space Coast and Cocoa Beach. So that has some really amazing things there. So from unique wonders like turtle migrations, which is so cool. I would love to see that. To a bunch of local eateries. It's a really good comprehensive guide for anyone looking to go south for the winter. Yeah,
it looks like such a fun family escape.
For sure.
Yeah, so there's stuff for the kids, for the parents, you know, foodies in the family, everything you can get in that one locale. So
absolutely,
it's really awesome.
I think we're ready for our live winner today, who's gonna be winning this amazing book that we're all really jealous of.
It's going to be a timepiece that you'll have forever and ever. All right, here we go.
Our live winner. So our live winner today of the Write to Me recipe book is Holly Saunders. So congrats, Holly. I'm sure this is going to be a really great keepsake for you and your family. Make sure you got your best handwriting on when you're writing. I know if I had this, no one would be able to read it. Well,
whatever. Keep them a little secret then. Okay. So let's get to the KIWI Holiday Gift Guide giveaway,
Yes.
the main event here. So from December 9th through December 22nd, we will be hosting a giveaway of select items from the issue on the KIWI Mag Online website.
Mm-hmm.
So if you head to the issue, you can see all of the information there. So the sweepstakes, like I said, starts on December 9th, and a new gift will launch each day for your chance to win. So you will enter for that gift, but then continue to check back each day as new gifts launch. And then don't forget that there's only a short window for each gift to enter. So there will be a 3-day window to enter each gift. So just keep coming back, entering, and then you can, keep some of these gifts for yourself or share them with your family. But we're so excited to be able to, spread some cheer ourselves and give you guys access to some of the gifts in our gift guide. All right, so don't forget to go to the KIWI tab on Moms Meet. If you're on the Moms Meet site to read the new issue, go to kiwimagonline.com. Check your inbox, go to issue. You can use the issue mobile app, and there's just so many ways to get in touch and read our magazine. And then remember to keep liking, sharing, and commenting on this, because we will have winners for the National Geographic
tomorrow, right?
Kids book. Yeah, tomorrow. All right. I think that's it. So let's just wish everyone a happy holidays. We've got Thanksgiving first, and all of our great December, Hanukkah, Christmas, everything. So happy holidays to everyone, and we hope you have a great new year. All right.
And we'll see you soon.
Yes, we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.